Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guy Wayne, and today I'll be installing my screen protector on the iPhone 16, and I'll be using the Smart Devil HD tempered glass military grade shatterproof and ultra durable screen protectors. Now, I normally suck at installing screen protectors, so I'm happy to have picked up this particular one because it does come with the guide box, which makes it super easy to do this. This pack also does come with 3 screen protectors, so if one breaks, I've got 2 backups, and comes in at a really reasonable price at just around $18.99. I've seen it as low as $13.99, so the price will fluctuate a bit, but it's a great price for 3 glass screen protectors. So let's go ahead and jump into the process. I just want to show you how easy it is to do it with this particular set. So for the box, you'll get 3 of these packs here, and these will have cleaning cloth and a dust magnet that you can use before you actually do the install. It just preps the screen first before you put the protector on it. So you'll find 3 things in the packs. You'll have first a cleaning wipe, then you'll have a dust rag, and then you'll have your dust sticker, and they're all labeled 1, 2, 3 to make it really easy for you. So that's number 1. The cloth says number 2 on it. It's a little hard to see it in the light there. And then number 3 is the sticker. So let's start with the wipe. I'm going to turn my screen off. First, we'll wipe down the screen. And this is sort of the general rule with screen protectors is you wet it first. Take your dry rag, number 2. And you want to just dry it. Make sure you get all the edges. And then third, you want to use your dusting sticker. You're going to use this to grab any extra dust that might have fallen on the screen. There we go. All right, so that's sort of the pre-work that has to be done first. So our phone is nice and clean. We've walked through all the pre-installation steps. Now it's time to do the easy part, which is putting it in the box here and pulling the tab, and this will install the screen protector. So open it up, and you just want to unfold this here so that this little tip is pointing out of the box here. Take our phone, we're going to turn it over, and just place it right in the box. Make sure it's pressed down. Close it. And it's good to take your hand and hold down the box and keep your hand on there and keep applying pressure. And we're just gonna pull this tab here, and that's gonna finish up the installation. So here we go. Let's pull. There we go. All right, shook the whole table. All right, give it one last little push like this, and then we're gonna open it up. Phone is still there, which is great. And just pull this here. And our screen protector is installed. Now, I'm noticing that there's a little bit of a bubblage on the end here. So I just need to apply a little bit of force. And if you end up with any bubbles after that, like I have a little small bubble right here, what you can do is if you just lift, take your fingernail and just lift in the corner, lift all the way until you get to that bubble point, and then just let it go. And this usually will help it to get any bubbles that are still in there, and then you can now just press along the edge, and now we are good to go. All right, so our install is done, and the last thing I want to do is just give it a quick durability test, because I tend to put my phone in my pocket and sometimes my pocket with my keys, and I want to make sure this screen protector is going to be able to handle being up against my keys. And so I have my keys right here. I'm going to do this a couple of times. I'm going to try to tap the screen like this and then try to just scratch. And let's take a look and kind of see how it did. And so if you look at it from an angle, you don't see any scratches, any dings. It handled it really well. I'll post a link to this screen protector set in the comment section along with our coupon code 40H2Tech. You can use that to get 40% off. These normally retail for $18.99, so $18.99 minus 40% off is a pretty sweet deal. So jump on this right now while that coupon code is active. And if this video was helpful, make sure you bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.